Hey, what's up, guys? Thomas Alpha Doc here with another kettlebell instructional video for you today. And today I'm going to talk about the kettlebell carry, one-arm kettlebell carry. If you haven't checked my video on how to do the one-arm suitcase deadlift, that's how you pick the bell up to do a carry. But today we're going to talk about the kettlebell carry, which is going to build stronger core, stronger body overall, strong posterior chain, but it's also going to elevate your heart rate. It's a good conditioner. It's got a great grip strengthener, but it's also going to contribute to functional fitness that you can apply to other things in life. As you're carrying things for distance, you're carrying a thing of water bottles, or you're carrying a water or a jug or whatever it is, a suitcase, you can do this safely and effectively because you built the strength up with this exercise. So let's go over here and let me show you how to do it. All right, so you're gonna pick up the bell just like a suitcase deadlift. Again, if you haven't seen that video, check that out after this. But essentially the bell is here, but right by your side, you're gonna pick it up, all right? So I'll just show you from the side. So suitcase bell's on the side, this hand's squeezing over here, you're gonna grip that bell hard, and you're gonna stand up tall with it, all right? Then we're just gonna take a walk, all right? We're just carrying it. Abs are engaged automatically to prevent you from tipping over. You're just gonna walk, you're gonna go distance, all right? You're gonna grip that bell hard, you're gonna take a walk, all right? Ideally, you go walking as long as you can before you need to put the bell down. All right, that's going to challenge your grip, and that's going to also challenge your heart rate. It's a great conditioner, like I said. Key things to keep in mind here: when you're carrying the bell, do not look down. Look up like this to the side. You're going to straighten your neck. What I want you to do is chest up, nice and strong, chin up, shoulder blades back, bell by your side, and you're going to walk like this. Right, walk, stand strong and proud, tall, not like this and hunched over. That's bad for your back, all right? Nice and tall. You're just gonna walk like this, all right? You're gonna maintain this posture as you do your distance and your laps. Or laps. If you do laps with these, then you're awesome. But for whatever distance you're going, you do your carries, you're gonna make sure you keep that upright posture, all right? Shoulder blades back, chest up, abs engaged, all right? So that's how you do it. A kettlebell carry, guys, is an awesome exercise. Go for distance. I love to add these to clients' training sessions, my own training session, workouts I post. It's a great variation to add to keep things varied up, but it's also a good functional exercise to build strength, to build stamina, and to increase your cardiovascular output with a kettlebell. Another thing a kettlebell can do. All right, so this is what I want you to do when you're getting this, when you're starting to do this exercise. First, check out my video on how to do a suitcase deadlift so you can pick this up safely. But essentially, bells by your side, shoulders down, stand up tall. All right, before you go suitcase deadlift, like I said, three-step checklist, all right? Shoulder blades back. This is gonna bring your chest up, nice and strong, looking forward, back nice and straight. Make sure your head is neutral, looking straight ahead, not up and down, all right? Maintain that posture, shoulder blades back, chest up, head neutral, back straight, with your abs engaged as you walk with the bell. Right, as you carry it for distance. If you feel you're starting to slouch or you can't maintain that posture, put the bell down, shake it out, and do it again. Go to the other hand. Your grip's probably going to go out before your technique does, but if you find that your technique, you can still grip it, but your technique's going down, your shoulders are coming down, your neck's going down, you're starting to round your back, put that bell down for safety. Do not keep going. Shake it out, pick it up, either on the other side or the same arm, and go again when you're ready, all right? So practice this, make this a foundational part of your training. I know I make it part of my trainings as well. And just go for distance. Or you could just, if you don't have a long space to train, you could just hold the bell, pick it up here, and just hold it for a certain amount of time, all right? Ideally, you wanna have distance to walk with it because it is the kettlebell carry. So find out a place you can walk with it for a long distance, for as long as you can go, and just challenge yourself to go a little bit further next time. So say you go for 30 seconds, that's like 25 yards or steps or whatever. Next time, go for 35 seconds, 40 seconds, a little bit longer. You're gonna get stronger, you're gonna get more conditioned, you're gonna get better every time you do that, all right? As long as you stick to my tips, shoulder blades back, chest up, neutral neck, and straight back, abs engaged while you're doing this exercise. You're gonna do it safely, and you do it effectively, guys, all right? So if you have any questions, or leave them in the comments below. If you have any issues with this exercise or any concerns or technique or something that you need to change, leave me in a comment as well. All right, guys. And again, if you haven't seen my, I'm gonna set that down. Your grip definitely challenges your grip. If you haven't seen my video on the suitcase deadlift, that's how you pick this bell up to start carrying it. All right, go check it out right here in the link here right now after this video, so you can know how to pick this bell up safely. You can start carrying it around and doing it right. All right, so give this one a go, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you feel about this one. Let me know if you like this video, if you like stuff like this, little bit kettlebell variation other than the traditional exercises. And if you have any requests on exercises, kettlebell, body weight, stuff you want to see me do and show you how to do it correctly, let me know as well in the comments below. And as always, happy kettlebell training. Go check out the next video. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep doing things well so you can keep making progress towards your goals, getting stronger, burning fat, getting healthier, becoming the best you can be. All right, have an awesome day, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you then. Oh, and if you want to know when I post my next video and be the first to know right away, so you can jump on this video right away and you don't have to look through it on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and I'll let you know when, well, YouTube will let you know every time I post a video, so you can stay in the loop, stay on top of it, and start learning and keep progressing and making progress, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.